This is the land you've been waiting for. Almost 50 acres of gorgeous rolling terrain located between Huntsville and New Waverly. Previously used for hay production, this property is an ideal setting for livestock, agricultural use, or just as a place to get away from it all. Partially cleared and partially wooded with a mix of hardwood and softwood trees. The property abuts the Sam Houston National Forest along one corner. Paved county road frontage. Improved driveway leads to a beautiful home site overlooking the water. Easy distance to Huntsville or New Waverly for schools, shopping, and entertainment.